Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town.
Hi you guys, welcome to another wig review / wig installation video. Unfortunately, this is not a vlog. I know that I've been quiet for some time, but I will be back very soon. I've just been trying to organize my life a little bit. But anyways, let's get into this new wig installation that I'm doing today. So today I'm doing a wig by Wiggins Hair. I also love that because it's a loose wig curl, the curls were already pre-done on the wig. All I needed to do was just to brush out the curls. The hair is super soft, so it didn't feel any breakage. It didn't go through any type of hair loss, which I thought was very impressive. This is a Wiggins 24-inch body wave wig, 13x4 HD lace. As you can see, the lace is basically transparent. You can see right through it. The hair is also very silky and soft. I think this is one of my favorite wigs. I'm not just saying it because it's new. It's now been a week since I've had this install in, and I'm making this video a week later. So the hair has remained soft and it's remained nice and sleek and shiny and super healthy. So I'm very happy with that. I was quite surprised and impressed by the length of the wig. I expected it to be a little bit shorter, but I'm super happy with how long it is. I'm super happy with how full the wig is. I always choose a higher density. I think that it's important when you love volume in your hair to try and use a bit of a higher density. I have linked the wig below. They have 4 different options of density on this particular wig, so you guys can look into that. So on this wig, I didn't really need to even tint the lace a little bit. I think that the wig came pretty good in terms of the transparency and the HD of the lace. So I didn't feel like I needed to tint the lace, which was great. I just went right ahead and put the wig onto my head. The wig was very easy to install. I am super impressed with how the lace looks. I noticed that the knots were bleached, the lace was transparent, and the lace was already pre-plucked, which means there's not a lot of work that needs to be done on your end. I love convenience. I love when I don't have to send my wig somewhere to first get prepped and spend additional money on having other service providers help prep the wig before I can even use it. So I love the fact that Wiggins Hair made sure that the wig was already ready to install and even hot combed and perfect. I didn't really need to hot comb because I'm a perfectionist. I always like to go in with a hot comb just to make sure it's extra sleek. But literally installing this wig took me a whole of about 15 to 20 minutes. It didn't really take much time. I opted not to do a bowl scalp installation because the lace is so thin. I think that the wig cap would show through, which is a good thing, you know, so that you don't really have to add a wig cap in order to make it look very scalpy. The lace on its own was great, so I didn't really need to do a bowl scalp installation. I went in with 2 layers of my bold hold glue on my head, and then I stuck the wig. Just make sure that this lace wig will last on my head for about 7 days. Then I went in with my Got2b spray. I like to use this spray after my bold hold instead of the usual glue that we all use. I just think that it's less of like a harsher glue, especially when I'm using bold hold. I have recommended bold hold to a lot of people. It's a really good strong bonding glue, so I really don't feel like I have to strengthen the install with another spritz that's going to be super strong. So I always feel like the Got2b just melts the lace right perfectly, like how I want it to. And it's always important to have a good lace. If you have a good lace, you're gonna have a good install and you're gonna have an easy install. And that's basically it. It was really easy to install, as I said, and no hassle at all. I don't even think you need to go to a salon to install this wig unless you're just a perfectionist like I am and really want the lace to be cut perfectly. Then that's up to you. But yeah, it's really not a wig that needs a lot of work beforehand. It's ready made, it's ready done, and all you need to do is just install it.
Even if you don't love yourself,
hair is soft, sleek, beautiful, lush, full. So impressed. So I will attach all the links for the hair below. They have different types of wigs as well. Please go through their website to check out all the different hair that they have up on option. Don't forget to purchase. And yeah guys, that's the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this wig review, wig installation. I really enjoyed it myself. I'm personally enjoying this hair and I really hope that you guys go and support their business. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys on the next video. Mwah.